Today I'm going to solve a trigonometry problem. I've been giving several examples of how trigonometry is used in our daily lives, but before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment if you manage to find the answer. A plane takes off at an angle of 30 degrees relative to the ground. After traveling a distance of 1,000 meters along its path, what is the height of the plane above the ground? We want to find the height, which is this side here, the side opposite the angle. Here we have the adjacent side, and the height is the opposite side, which we can call x. To find the value of the opposite side, we can use the sine formula, which is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. The sine of 30 degrees is equal to the opposite side over 1,000, because the hypotenuse is 1,000 meters. The sine of 30 is 0.5, which is equal to the opposite side over 1,000. Since this is a division, it will move to the other side as a multiplication. So it will be 0.5 times 1,000 equals the opposite side. When we multiply by 1,000, you just move the decimal point 3 places, so 0.5, let's move the decimal to the right. 1 place, 2, add a 0, 3, add another 0. So, actually, it ends up being 500. The opposite side is equal to 500 meters. That's the height of the plane. We found it quickly by applying the sine formula, which is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Comment if you got it right too, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.